Welcome to this warm home in the well-established neighborhood of Wolflin. This one will wow you. Take a look.
Come live in the heart of Amarillo, located in the Wolflin neighborhood. This home is super cute and has so much space to offer. Enjoy this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-living area home. The den area has a wonderful wood-burning fireplace to keep warm on those winter nights. The kitchen is spacious with plenty of cabinets and newly installed granite countertops. All of the bedrooms are a good size. The owner's suite has a huge walk-in closet, and the bathroom has double sinks and a walk-in shower. Great backyard. This home is one you won't want to miss.
Read my lips. You will want to come and see this one on Lipscomb. It definitely needs to be on your wish list. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.